Okay, so now I'm audible and visible, I hope so. Let's begin with the video. So, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Keval Majithia. I am your educator, and today I will be teaching you about growth and future of AI. So, first of all, students, what is AI? A very important question. So, AI here is known as artificial intelligence. So, what do you mean by artificial intelligence? So, it is basically related to all the robotic stuff, so that in basic terms or in basic sense, I can tell AI as robotic related stuff. So I'll just increase the thickness of the marker, and here I'll begin. So that is known as, okay, so I'll be writing with the mouse, so the handwriting won't be very clear, but still it should be fine. So robotics can be a major part of artificial intelligence. Let's begin with artificial intelligence as such. So artificial intelligence is basically related to robots, their machinery, their mechanism, the various ways with which artificial intelligence works. So basically, sir, what is pros and cons? So sir, pros is the advantages in general terms. So these can be considered as advantages, and let me write it once again. So these are considered as the advantages, and these are considered as the disadvantages. Simple as that. So sir, what are the advantages of artificial intelligence? Increased efficiency. So students, what do you mean by increased efficiency? So increased efficiency matlab, efficiency, I mean, if there is some human support, if a doctor is doing an operation, there are chances that he might do some mistakes, and that is going to lead to some problem, and that can also lead to the death of a patient. But in case of artificial intelligence, that is when a robot is performing your surgery, that is not going to happen, because the instructions are very well programmed, and a machine will always do what you tell it to do. So the programmed things are fixed, and once everything is inserted, once everything is algorithmized into it, it is definitely going to work the perfect way. It cannot perform errors unless and until there is some error in your coding stuff, right? So increased efficiency matlab, the efficiency will be increased to a great extent, because if the efficiency has been increased, that is a safe way. So using intelligence, artificial intelligence can be considered as a safe way for all the other aspects as well, right? So reducing human risk, that's what I explained to you right now. Doctors can some way commit mistakes, but that is never going to happen with artificial intelligence, right? A machine will perform less errors than that of a human. Aid in decision making. So decision making, some decisions can be made wrong by humans as well, but according to the algorithm which is provided to the artificial intelligence robot, that is definitely gonna be better, and it will have a decision making capability which will be better than the human, right? And availability. So availability, it is very available in the market. So it is very useful, and it is very easily available in the market. You can get robotic stuff, you can get robotic sets, you can get Lego sets. All those are a part of artificial intelligence, although I won't consider AI artificial intelligence in terms of Lego, but still that was an example which you kids can understand. And basically, what you would consider as cons, that is sir, disadvantages of artificial intelligence, that is going to cause of unemployment. Everybody might have listened, everybody might have heard of drones, right? So the drones are the machines which fly into air, and it also has a camera. Some drones have cameras attached to it. So sir, when cameras are attached to it, what is going to happen is, it is very common that the cameras will they will take the drone shots. So that basically has taken jobs of two people, right? The helicopter person who used to drive the chopper, I mean the helicopter, and the second cameraman. So that is going to cause unemployment as well. If the workers in the factory are replaced by the robotic arms, definitely that is going to cause unemployment. A lot of people will be unemployed. Very simple. High initial investment, I mean, see, robots or in basic, artificial intelligence is going to cost you a hell lot of money, because once you are doing that, so that is going to be a whole lot of money, and you will have to deal with a lot of initial cost, but then, and it would also require a lot of maintenance. Also, everything depends on machines. So like you will be under the machines won't be under you. You will be continuously working with machines, and you will be under machines, right? And uh, the next part which I would like to tell is lack of creativity. A lot of creativeness will also go away once you are dependent on artificial intelligence. Sir, what are the advantages of the artificial intelligence? Let's understand. Following are some of the main advantages of the artificial intelligence: high accuracy with less errors. AI machines or systems are prone to less errors and high accuracy, as it can take decisions as per pre-experience or information. Right? So it is already given the information, and it is already given the algorithms which with it has to perform the basic criteria. So it is very highly accurate. It is more accurate than humans, at least I can say. High speed. So obviously it is very common that artificial intelligence is going to have a very high speed in comparison to humans, or in comparison to the human race of all. So AI systems can be of very high speed and fast decision making. Because of that, artificial intelligence systems can beat a chess champion in the chess game. Yes, that's true. And high reliability. AI machines are highly reliable and can perform the same action multiple times with high accuracy. So it can perform the same number of operations in comparatively less time, and those are highly reliable. I mean, you can very much rely on it. So everybody might have seen the movie Robot, which featured Rajnikant, right? Rajnikant sir. So definitely, that was a movie where a robot was there. Chitti, the name of the robot was Chitti, if you students remember. So that was a highly classified robot, and those are called humanoid robots. So I'll continue with that first. So this is an image which depicts artificial intelligence in a great way. And the humanoid robot. So this is an example, and Chitti was also a humanoid robot. Chitti. Everybody might relate to it. So I guess that much. That's all. That would be enough, I suppose. And I think thanks a lot for joining. If you have any questions, please do let me know, and I'll definitely teach you more in more detail once I have been selected. I'll definitely teach you even more about it, and in very much detail, so don't worry about it. And if you have any questions, do let me know in the chat section. And thanks a lot for joining. Thank you. Namaskar.